Hello everyone, I'm Ryan. Today I'm introducing XCMG XDA45U articulated dump truck. Capable of handling wet, slippery, and muddy conditions, it performs heavily loaded tasks with ease, earning the trust of miners worldwide. Now, let me introduce to you in detail. The XDA45U articulated dump truck boasts excellent maneuverability, good trafficability, and remarkable environmental adaptability. With this articulated frame structure, small turning radius, and powerful 6x6 all-wheel drive, all-terrain suspension and adaptive control technology allow it to confidently navigate muddy, slippery, and spatially restricted work environments, even climbing the steepest slopes. Featuring a reliable wide disc brake system, along with engine brake and transmission retarder, the truck ensures safety on long downhill stretches. Equipped with an internationally renowned hydraulic system and high-quality hydraulic components, the truck utilizes a pump-controlled hydraulic system and load-sensing steering. The independent operation of these systems enhances stability and facilitates troubleshooting, ensuring the efficient operation. Thanks to its highly reliable design and convenient after-sales service, efficient equipment operation is guaranteed. XCMG's proprietary welding fatigue life analysis method for structural components extends the life cycle of critical structural parts. The stress relief technology for structural components significantly enhances the product's service life. With the push of a button, the hood quickly opens, providing full and safe access to the engine compartment via the walkway. Additionally, a safety support is provided for convenient maintenance. The spacious cab and cozy workspace really show how thoughtful XCMG is, enhancing operator satisfaction, motivation, and achieving high operation efficiency. The intelligent monitoring system for the entire vehicle enables smart gear and speed limitations, comprehensive collection of vehicle operation data, and facilitates equipment upgrades. With human-machine interaction technology, the scientifically and reasonably arranged control elements ensure flexible steering, comfortable control, and convenient and comfortable operation for the driver. The ergonomically designed cab meets ROPS and FOPS standards, offering a spacious interior and expansive views. The adjustable air suspension seat provides enhanced comfort. In addition to mining conditions, the XDA45U's excellent product performance breaks the limitation of a construction environment, and it is also widely used in various large-scale projects, which can be called multi-purpose. Here is XCMG's XDA45U. Believe me, it's worth every penny and beyond. So come on, don't hesitate. Seize the opportunity now.